ka seng BJP ke balai lam ya ka sorkar kemi hagari ha ka jing rakhe ya jing ya lanti ke bakhandai snem jong ka jing senchar hapo gari ka balong hapo ka jing lam jong Shri Narendra Modi kumu menteri rang badu jong gari ka sorkar kelapan long ya ka jing le jengo sekeleng jaka jong gari bantip bahadu katno kalaya batrikam kilap jingirap lani kiskem baper ki balapan mang na ka sorkar pedeng Haka jingwan jong unong ilam kaseng BJP beriru dukot jong Legislative Council na Bihar ubaban rukum Chief Whip jong yang persya ha Bihar hagane ke jela Meghalaya kentup ya ke Ribhoi District ulwan ru bania kendu ya kinong ilam bat kinong kitkam jong seng BJP hari Ribhoi District hanong po Habe keren bar tu unong ilam ulapan pau bagane ke jing rakhe ya ke jingya jelanti ke bakhandai snem jong sorkar Modi kelala ban le ya shibun ba ki kampan roi hapo gari India baro kawai ke bakentup de ya ke than chati lamingi jong gari India Susu ulang ru bagi sorkar pedeng hadin ke jingi trilang bat ke sorkar jela Meghalaya kan sawanra ya ki Medical College hapok kene ke jela Meghalaya bat kumjuru ban kentiu ya ki district headquarter ban pensuk ya ki paiba kabakan tup kum ke jing senapan bahaya ki surok ke jing penbiang ki jika ajing sumar ke jing ayau kau yo ai na ke sorkar bat kiwe dak bapan rap ru bahagian ki kendai teli ki snem ki beladap lala ban le ya shibun ba ki kampan roi hapok kari barokawai Kawai na kita kari kijing nang kiu kerdan jong gari ha kayo kakot naga kerdan ke basipau ha keperthai mentah kala kiu sya ke kerdan ke basan
I am representative of the national leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party Dr. Dilip Kumar Jaiswal state in charge Sikkim I have visited Meghalaya especially Shillong and Nongpo for the celebration and interaction with the people of the completion of 9 years of the Shri Narendra Modi ji government. 9 साल बेमिसाल, uncomparable and Maha Jansampark Abhiyan, consultation with the voters and the booth level workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party. First, what the Shri Narendra Modi government have done for the country in the sector of foreign policy, in the sector of infrastructure, health sector, economic power, skill development, youth empowerment, lots of work have been done by the Shri Narendra Modi ji government in 9 years. 70 years of the Congress government leadership in this country, there was only 8 All India Medical Institute in this country. The Modi government in the 9 years constructed and established total 23 All India Medical Institute in this country. There was only 641 medical college in this country. And the Modi government have established 700 new medical college, including one in Meghalaya, Tura. And now the number of medical colleges in the country is more than 1300. You know the shortage of doctors and paramedical staff in the hospital. 70 years in the Congress government, the hospital was running without doctor and paramedical staff. Now the Modi government planning how to give the best health facility to the last people of the society, and the medical college, opening of medical college, opening of paramedical institutions is the real how to solve this problem. This is the real efforts of the Modi government. Modi ji has created such a road infrastructure, National Highway Authority, Bharatmala project and borderline road. You can see anywhere in India the road, the construction of bridge, so many places, even in northeast also. So we are celebrating the Modi government effort for the country. You know, Shri Narendra Modi ji visited America, USA. How the status of India have seen by the whole of the world. What is the jalwa of Shri Narendra Modi? Even the President of America, Biden, says that, Modi ji, I want your autograph. Australian Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister is saying, Modi ji is big boss. And the India is 5th economy of the world. So Modi ji is doing well for the downtrodden, deprived people. And we are going to consult all the voters, booth level voters, and the efforts of Modi government and Maha Jan Sampark Abhiyan by the Bharatiya Janata Party. The road communication, Jal Nal Yojana, electricity connection to villages, and free rice and food to the deprived all BPL family members. Electricity, communication, create the employment and other infrastructure in the sector of health, Ayushman Bharat facility. This is the primary and fundamental demand of the public. Regarding youth empowerment, skill development and the employment, the government is doing well, and I think within 2 or 3 years, youth empowerment, tourism sector and the employment also be one of the best part of the Meghalaya state. The Meghalaya government is going to submit a blueprint for the smart city in the Shillong and other district headquarters, and we are going to develop all the district headquarters as a smart city in near future. And also we are planning for one new medical college also in different parts of the Meghalaya.